Want to know how to contact customer support and get help in Dola AI on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application, and once you have opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So we have also created similar videos of Dola AI on how to get help with it on your phone as well as your PC, so make sure to watch it. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. It should be right beside notifications. So now once you've selected profile, on the top right side you should be seeing this gear icon right here, which is the settings. So you can do something like that. Now once you've selected settings, here you should be seeing your settings popping up, and here you should be seeing help and feedback. It should be right below source history, just simply like that. Now a different website should load up inside your app itself, and now you can just simply see your help center coming up. So what you can do is you can just simply see all of the topics that you can choose from, and you can also submit feedback just like this right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you on the next one.